In front of me is LENOVO Legion Tab Gen 3, and today I would like to show you how you can set up face unlock. Begin by going into Devices Settings. Now scroll down to click on Biometrics and Password. Then select Facial Recognition on the right and enter your current login method. Finally, scroll all the way down to select Add at the bottom. Keep your face in frame and follow all of the instructions from your screen. When your scan is ready, select Done and then hit Cancel or Turn On in Turn On Unlocking with Mask On pop-up. Now you can manage all of those options however you want to, and when you finished, go back. So now when I switch off my screen and turn it back on, I can see that Face Unlock is working properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!